tonight. We just went to Walmart. I got some stuff. I got my grandma, I'll put in a picture here. I got her some super adorable flowers. They're beautiful colors and she loved them. So hopefully they lifted her spirits a little bit. Coming down to the new bathroom because I got some soap for it. Oh, there's already soap here. Nope, I'm gonna change it because I like this one better. Got some soap, but I'm gonna take this one away. Put this one there. Guys, it's so cute. I want to wash my hands just because I can. I haven't used it yet. I want to get warm. I hope I'm allowed to be using the sink. Anyways, I'm gonna use it. Except there's no towel. Okay, I'm making dinner. I bought 2 blade roasts that I'm cooking, and I put carrots in it, and I'm gonna make roast potatoes with it because a lot of my family doesn't like soft potatoes. You know how you cook them in like that and they get soft? I love it, but they don't, so I'm gonna do it a different way this time, and I'm gonna make it with roasted. And now I'm gonna sit down and not do anything because that's what you do during lockdown. What's up, guys? I got a big snowstorm, so I'm gonna go out and shovel, and I'm gonna try to bring you along. I got my gloves, I have my earmuffs on. I'm ready to go. I need to buy myself some snow pants though. Except the stores are not open because they're not essential. Let's do this. Also, I have pajamas on. This is how I'm shoveling. What did you do?
Just made them a little ring.
Wasn't that bad yet. Who knows if it'll get bad. This is so annoying. Every time I organize something, I made this mess, but it's because it was a mess in there, so I'm trying to re-clean it. No one ever keeps it organized. Okay, I kind of cleaned it up. It looks better than it did, so it's good, right? Hey dude, it is coming down hard now. Holy moly, I just shoveled and it's already so thick. Oh my gosh. Matthew's birthday is on Monday or Tuesday, but we're gonna have his celebration this weekend. So I'm gonna make him a homemade cheesecake. So hopefully I don't mess that up because that's gonna be his cake. But I'm gonna try it. I'll make it on Thursday and we'll see how it turns out. So Matthew, if you watch this and your cake was not good, I'm sorry, but at least I tried. If it doesn't turn out, I'll make him something else. You guys, I feel like Belle. I know I don't have dark hair or anything, but the style, I like wrapped it. I just feel like a Disney princess. I feel like I'm channeling my inner Allie from the Tannerites. If you watch me because of them, you know how much she loves Disney and Bella's her favorite princess. I feel like Belle. Actually, I sent Ali a Snapchat. I think it's cute. I do wish that I could put in a bun, but I don't know how, so this is gonna have to work. I'm eating Lipton soup, waiting for my dad to get home, and then me and my mom are gonna go out. There's still nothing open. We're gonna try to go to Giant Tiger, but that might not even be open. But it is so bad outside. It's windy, it's a white out. We have a lot of snow now. Hang on, I'll show you. Look, it starts like this, and then it's just, holy moly. There is, hang on, it's focusing on the water. There you go. Look at it all. That is a lot of snow. This is not as much, like we've had more in the past, but that's a lot. Anyway, I'm going to bring you guys with us when I go out. The snow, like it's windy, it's just like going everywhere. We're gonna bring you and then show you what it looks like out on the road.
We've got some great stuff coming up. Stay with us.
I have to stay on this side for,
I think there's pretty much only one lane.
Premier dealer and an essential service by CA. Good afternoon, I'm Jason.
That lane.
Below minus.
It looks fun if you're on an open road.
yeah.
To carry out daily tasks, there are solutions.
It doesn't look that bad.
Retail trends forecasted post-pandemic and how to make the perfect Italian sauce.
Now trending, brought to you by Lugano's, authentic Italian cuisine.
Alright, let's go. You guys are gonna get soaked, so.
Did you get one already?
Everything's blocked off in here too. The clothes and stuff. And I like that sweater and I can't get it. I'm going to get more color. I'm talking to my camera. Super empty in Walmart. I'm trying to get some quality content for you guys. And look at me, I'm vlogging in public. This doesn't ever happen. Where'd she go? I lost her. Mom? Oh. Oh, okay. My camera keeps dying, so
$3.
don't know how much content I'll get for ya.
Instant control shampoo.
Go do your little basket thing. I'll tape you. Just like run with it. I don't know. Give me some content.
The way I always run.
Yeah, I need some.
I'll go down there.
Oh my gosh. I can't bring her anywhere. Where did you go? It's completely empty. And my camera keeps dying, so I have to keep recording fast. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for this vlog because I need to edit and upload it tonight for tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little outing, our little adventure. It's still snowing with SpreadKindness, and I'll see you in my next video.